Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. Many of you were asking me for SEBI legal phase 2 analysis. I was not really in favor to do that because I did not get many questions from phase 2 paper, but I'll give you a brief analysis and expected cutoff in this video. I will request one thing over here. If you remember any questions or any topics other than the ones which I have mentioned on the screen, please mention that in the comment below. I have only got the topics from which the questions have come in the paper. Now, if I create a memory based question from it, that will be entirely based on my understanding and experience. If you remember even 5 questions with 2 or 3 options, please email them to us at hello@iexamb.com. चाहे आपको 5, 7, 10 questions exactly याद हों या थोड़े similar याद हों with the question and the options, भले ही options 2 हों, 3 हों, 4 हों, please write them and email to us at hello@iexamb.com so that we can create an accurate memory based paper. Consider it a gift to us on Teachers' Day. Now let's start with our discussion for phase 2 exam analysis. The paper, objective paper, is said to be easy to moderate level. Legal के questions in objective were easy to moderate. The descriptive part was unexpected. There was no choice this year and it is considered difficult. एक direct case law से related question भी आया था. So all those who are planning to prepare for next year, you will have to be prepared with all the important case laws as well. Let's talk about paper 1 first, descriptive English paper. essay में 4 topics में से choice था. One topic was related to AI, artificial intelligence से related था. There was a quote given and you have to comment on this statement with respect to the rise of AI and changing workforce globally. One was related to affordable healthcare loans or banking sector should provide healthcare loans. Another was related to need of economic social governance for global businesses. And then there was understanding and development of organizational culture. So these were the 4 topics from which you had to write one essay. Pressy was related to survey on gaming industry and influencers, and comprehension was based on the rise of social media influencer industry and challenges which are faced by it. So these were paper 1 questions. Coming to your paper 2 objective part, it is said to be easy to moderate level. काफी direct questions आए थे. अगर आपने अच्छे से preparation की होगी, objective questions would have been easy for you. Questions like headquarters of SEBI, section for legal aid, CRPC was passed in which year, the name of SEBI 1995 regulation on inquiry, theft related question था, criminal breach of trust, securities appellate tribunal के member का tenure कितना होता है, section 82 of IPC. There was question about SEBI allowing celebrity endorsement of mutual funds post 2017. Then एक LLP related question था which have of the following was to be true और उसमें थोड़ा confusion था, शायद इस question में थोड़ा सा कुछ wrong था which the students have commented on. Then quorum of meeting buyback related question was there. There was question about show cause notice period as per SEBI, holding inquiries and imposing penalty rules, government company का stake कितना होता है, special court से question था, jurisdiction of juvenile, section of maintenance, cognizable case, free legal aid, ये हम एक बार देख चुके हैं. Then SAT, appeal time limit, Dolly income tax, criminal intimidation, exception of defamation, extraterritorial jurisdiction related एक question था, mischief, criminal breach of trust का illustration आया था, conclusive proof, binding up of a company, public company director number, time period for filing annual return of LLP, foreign LLP, minimum number of members in public company, rights issue से related question था, fraud या manipulation की definition आई थी, investigation by SEBI से related एक question था. अब आप देखिए हमें सिर्फ ये topics पता है, तो अब हम अगर memory based question बनाने लगेंगे, we have a broad section जिसमें से हम question pick कर सकते हैं, probably the most likely which may have come. But if you give us the questions that will be a benefit for us as well as for the students who are going to prepare next year, उनके लिए बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. So you can do this for those students, for those aspirants who will be targeting next year, उनको एक accurate previous year paper मिल जाएगा. So I again request you, take out 5 minutes and type the question which you remember with the options, even if you remember few options, and email us to hello@iexamb.com. There was a question then from punishment for contravention by SEBI, punishment for failure to enter into contract as per SEBI Act. Then another question was there from audit committee PIT regulation, PFUTB regulation enactment year. and few other questions. So these are all the topics about which we are aware of. अगर इनके अलावा आपको कुछ और याद है, please mention that in the comment below. Now coming to the descriptive paper, this was unexpected, कोई choice नहीं थी. The question related to IPC was about concurrent term of sentence versus consecutive term of sentence. You have to write the difference between the two. You have to explain the two. Then SCR से question था note on securities and contract. Then SEBI prohibition of insider trading regulations से question था, which was a case-based question on unpublished price-sensitive information, which was related to connected person, and ratio which was laid down in SEBI versus Rajat Gupta case. ये केस डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन में मेंशन था, तो इस वजह से इस बार पेपर थोड़ा टिपिकल था, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस नहीं थे. SCRA 1 इज अ बिट डायरेक्ट है, यहाँ पर आपको ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, आप काफ़ी कुछ लिख सकते हैं. कॉन्करेंट टर्म ऑफ सेंटेंस एंड कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स ऑफ सेंटेंस, इसका भी थोड़ा बहुत आपको आइडिया होगा अगर आपने IPC अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा. कमिंग टू दिस, यू मस्ट हैव रिटन अबाउट UPSC. आई होप यू ऑल हैव रेड सेबी वर्सेस रजत गुप्ता, एल्स एटलीस्ट आपने UPSI कनेक्टेड पर्सन के बारे में लिखा होगा. So this is all that we are aware about. Now coming to the cutoff. When we talk about the cutoff, this has been the last year cutoff. तो इस बार वैकेंसीज कम है, ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर ईजी था, डिस्क्रिप्टिव इंग्लिश ऐसा ही आता है हर बार, और डिस्क्रिप्टिव लीगल वॉज अ लिटिल बिट टिपिकल. सो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कट ऑफ सिमिलर रेंज में रहेगा, कैन गो अप टू 67-68, मिनिमम 65 तो रहेगा ही. सो दिस इज व्हाट माई एक्सपेक्टेशन इज, 67-68 तक भी जा सकता है फेज 2 का कट ऑफ. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड अकॉर्डिंगली. रिजल्ट आने में हो सकता है थोड़ा टाइम लग जाए. So don't stress yourself too much. You cannot go back and change your score. You cannot go back and change your attempts. It's better to focus on something ahead. अगर आप IFSC के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, focus on IFSC phase 2. If you're preparing for SO law, focus on your prelims and means and continue with your preparation. परेशान होने से, एंजाइटी से, स्ट्रेस लेने से कुछ नहीं होगा. I know there is always a feeling at the back of your mind, but try to control that and try to make the best use of your time. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us the questions by writing to hello@iexambay.com. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.